Hi there, my name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists at Peal Lemon. In this quick tutorial, I will be showing you how to use Ahrefs free SEO tools, specifically the tool called Keyword Rank Checker. So to just get started, the first thing that you want to do is navigate to this URL, which is ahrefs.com/free SEO tools. I will be linking that in the description below for your convenience. So once you've arrived to this page that we're on, we want to click on the keyword generator, and that drop down will pop up, and then we want to navigate and click on the keyword rank checker. Once you've clicked that, you won't see any difference. It's not an issue, don't worry about it. So here we want to type in the keyword. So in this example, we will just be looking, we're going to use Microsoft as our domain or URL. So we want to write Outlook. Okay, great stuff. And then we want to click on start. So our keyword will be carried over to this page as you see some changes, and this is where we're going to type in the URL. So practically this tool, what it's helping us, it can be done before you implement the SEO strategy and during. So it will be helpful before, so you can see who's currently ranking for the keyword that you want to rank for, and the domain. And this can be done during, just to check on your progress, as well as to put in your keyword or your URL to see where you're ranking in the search engine result page. Great stuff. So here in this example, since we're using Outlook, we will be using Microsoft.com. all right, now that we got that, then we choose a location. So might as well keep it in the United States today, and then we're going to click on check rankings. So now what Ahrefs is, it's practically doing its magic. So a pop-up display is popping up just now, and it will tell us how that specific keyword, which is Outlook, is ranking. So as you see here, we're ranking currently for number 1 for that specific specific keyword, which is Outlook. And here it tells us when last this was refreshed. Well, Ahrefs last took a crawl, and these are the search result. So this would be an example of a search engine result page, and what you see, this is the link that is currently ranking number 1, and we see the domain rating for that domain, which is Microsoft.com, English, Microsoft 360, and so on. And the URL ranking, which is also important to know, especially when you're doing some competitor analysis, so you know what you're going against. And backlinks, which is 29,000, and domains linking towards them, which is 929, and traffic, almost 15 million people in the US are searching for that specific keyword, which is Outlook. And then they are ranking for more than 8,000 keywords. So in this search engine result page, it will show us a little bit more. It just shows us 10. Please note that your website will not show if it's not in the top 100. So that was a quick tutorial on how you can use the keyword rank checker on Ahrefs free SEO tools. For any SEO query that you may have, feel free to reach out to us at pearllemon.com, as well as please do subscribe in this videos for more tutorials to help you use Ahrefs better. Stay well. Peace.